as you can see right now, I just have the basic cabinet doors, the interior of the camper, and I want to get a little bit more storage out of these cabinets, so here we go. I pre-drilled these 2 holes that will fit these 2 markers. I'm gonna go ahead and screw them in before I pre-drill the bottom holes. Now that I've installed these 2 little practical nuts for some necessities, I'm going to tackle this cabinet. Now my 3rd cabinet door also has a nut. And hopefully I'll be using these for practical, reasonable things. So this looks pretty good, and I would like to call it done, except they come in pairs of 2. So let's see what I can do. So after fiddling around quite a bit with the hardware, I decided that the best place for the extra net was inside. And here's Mama's little hard worker. Ta-da! Now I have to take this beach towel out of here and shake it because I collected all the dust from me drilling the holes and installing the little nuts. So now I have nets in the fronts of all 3 cabinet doors, so I can put some stuff that I want to get to quickly, like makeup remover, toothbrush, deodorant, Q-tips, face cream, dry shampoo, just little things that I want to have access to quickly.